Volkswagen recently took the covers off from the upcoming Virtus, which will be replacing the aging Vento from its lineup. Based on the same MQB A0 India-specific architecture, which also underpins the current gen models of the Skoda and Volkswagen cars, including Slavia, Kushaq and Taigun. The Virtus will go on sale by May this year. Bookings have already commenced at all Volkswagen dealerships across the country and the company's official India website. Today, the production of the Volkswagen Virtus officially started at the Chakan plant near Pune, so we can expect the display unit soon across the showrooms in the country. Like its Skoda sibling as well as the Taigun, the Virtus will come with two turbo-petrol engine options, a 1-liter 3-cylinder TSI unit making 115 PS of maximum power and 175 Nm of peak torque, and the 1.5-liter 4-cylinder TSI unit, which is exclusive to the GT variant that develops 148 PS of maximum power and 215 Nm of peak torque. The new Volkswagen Virtus will be available in two trim levels: Dynamic line, which includes the 1-liter TSI unit, and the Performance line, which includes the 1.5-liter TSI variant. There will be two gearbox options available on the 1-liter TSI unit, a 6-speed manual and a 6-speed torque converter automatic, whereas the 1.5-liter will only come with a 7-speed DCT gearbox as standard. In terms of features, the Virtus will be packed with creature comfort features like a 10-inch infotainment unit enabled with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a digital instrument cluster, connected car tech, electric sunroof, wireless mobile charging and more. Safety features on offer including 6 airbags, rear parking sensors, tire pressure monitoring system, electronic stability control and ABS with ABD.
Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread, with every word that I've said.